So today we are going to talk about 10 content niches that you can start with your phone. So you really don't need a laptop. So if anybody is telling you that, oh, before you start content creation, you need to have a laptop, even on YouTube, you don't need a laptop. With your phone, with your Android phone, you can start it. Creating content on YouTube, it's even better you use Android because iPhone is going to stress you. I have two phones. I have Android and iPhone. In most cases, I prefer to use Android phone for my YouTube content creation. So gadgets is not supposed to stop you. That you don't have a laptop is not supposed to. That you don't have a laptop is not supposed to stop you. You don't really need a laptop for any content creation, except you are doing maybe web design or something. In fact, there are even some designs that you can still do. Simple designs, even if it's web design, there are some simple designs that you can do with your phone. So let's get to it. Number one is education. Education. So if you are doing education niche, you should, if you are doing education niche, if your niche is on education, the platform that you should use is YouTube. That's the platform that you should use. Like if you are teaching how to, if you are teaching anything like school, anything, study, don't even, in fact, other ones can be options, but just focus on YouTube. So education niche, then commentary, that's like political commentary or others. So number one is education. If you are using if your content is on education, you should try YouTube. The commentary can be in anyone. It can be in any platform. Your commentary can be done in Instagram. Okay, your commentary can be done on Instagram, can be done on Facebook, can be done on Twitter, TikTok, anywhere. So that one really does not have a specific platform dedicated for it. Then the other one is lifestyle. If you are doing lifestyle content, you should try Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook if it is lifestyle. Nobody will now go on YouTube to go and check out your lifestyle. That was why when Vicky James did content about her baby, about her, I think her pregnancy journey and all that, she now posted it on YouTube. She now said she posted a part of it on, I think, on Instagram. She now said that people should go to YouTube to go and check it. I can bet you that many people did not go to YouTube to go and check it. So the best platform for you to post your lifestyle is either Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram. So you don't expect people to go to YouTube to go and be checking out your lifestyle. Nobody cares about your lifestyle on YouTube. Then the next one is AI. AI, that one is even the new oil well now. AI. So that AI could be in, you can do that AI content on Facebook, on TikTok, and on YouTube, or even on Instagram. But I think AI content gets more views on TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. I think so. I'm not into AI content, but I know that the ones I've seen on YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. I don't know. I'm not sure. I really don't go on Instagram that much, so I don't know if anybody does AI content on Instagram. I don't know. But those two, YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook, for AI content, you get a lot of engagement there. Then storytelling, for storytellers, like for me, story bores me, so I don't know. For storytellers, if you are going into storytelling, you can try YouTube storytelling. Even TikTok, people on TikTok, I can bet you that some people on TikTok have more patience than the one on Facebook. They have more patience to listen to what you have to say, for them to really criticize you, than the ones on Facebook. So if you are doing storytelling content, the first platform that you should try is YouTube. Then the other one can come into it, like TikTok, Facebook, and the rest. Then entertainment, yes, skit making, movie, and the rest, YouTube. Then you can still try TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Then okay, even in entertainment, you can still use Twitter, you can still use X for entertainment. Then for trends, TikTok, Facebook for trends, X, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. So I don't think anybody goes on YouTube to go and be checking out trends. So that was why I said in my previous post that the platform you use depends on your content. Then the next one is cooking tutorials. I see people doing cooking tutorials on Facebook. Who cares about cooking tutorials on Facebook? Nobody tells you to go and learn how to cook on Facebook. If they want to, if somebody want to tell you to go and learn how to cook, they tell you to go to YouTube. So you should choose you should choose the right content platform. You should choose the right platform for your niche. Choose YouTube. That's the go-to app for tutorials, any cooking tutorial. Nobody goes on okay, Instagram. Oh yes, Instagram, but nobody goes on Twitter to learn how to cook. That's it. Then the next one is fashion, Instagram, fashion, Instagram, hair making, Instagram, fashion, clothing, Instagram, or YouTube. Yes, Instagram, YouTube, or even TikTok can still work on that. Then the beauty niche also, Instagram. Facebook can also help, but Instagram majorly, then YouTube and TikTok. So that's it. We have mentioned 10 niches, 10 basic niches. Then I've just mentioned 10 basic niches that you can start with your phone, with your smartphone. Thank you very much. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and share. Thank you very much.